partner in one of the big four accountancy firms, and I'm also a businessman, having started a number of businesses with my family, some of which are still in existence today. I first met Shinal through a friend and business partner, Paul Bultwood, who I believe was introduced to Shinal as a prospective advisor when we were buying one of our offices in a technology company that we jointly ran. We had over the years used a number of lawyers for various types of legal work, from contract law to conveyance and commercial litigation. And I think I remember distinctly Paul saying to me, "We have a meeting with a lawyer, but this is one meeting I'd like you to attend." And I think the main reason for that was that Paul believed, and as we found, Shinal was equipped to support us in a way better than we had before. We were a small firm and we weren't able to go to the large city practices. However, the quality of service and advice we wanted had to be as good as the competition. So I think he felt that, having been introduced to Shinal by other business contacts, that he'd landed on a goldmine and that I should make sure that I met with her, and we established a working relationship after that. And I think the first time we actually met was over lunch, and within about 30 minutes we decided that we were going to use Shinal for a whole host of things that we needed to get done. So over the years, and I think it's been about 10 years now, we've dealt with all of the kind of things that you would expect to come across when you're running your own businesses, and some things that you would hope not to have to encounter. So Shinal's helped us with conveyancing matters on commercial property. You'd expect that to be straightforward, but it isn't always, and the complications around landlords disappearing and leases being left hanging, all of these complications. So normal commercial law you'd think, but complicated. Employment law advice, so most of the contracts that we used while we were an independent business were either shaped by or influenced by Shinal. So whether they're employment contracts for staff, or whether they were our terms and conditions for standard offerings to clients, or whether they were the contract shapes themselves. And then unfortunately we had some instances where, as happens in business, we had to litigate to recover money or property, and I was supported personally through an arbitration process by Shinal, which was one of the few cases we had where we had to recover money, but we got all our money back and costs, so that was very good. And also Shinal advised us on establishing the terms and conditions for a joint venture we established with Shell, the oil company, and how that investment would work and how we would operate. And I think Shinal does things to an excellent standard. That is just her approach, probably a combination of her nature and nurturing in the law. So you can see that in every interaction you have with her on a professional basis.